Hey everybody, Drew here. Today we're going to be taking a look at another BucknBear Knives fixed blade. Today is the Piranha fixed blade knife. So stay tuned and we'll dive right in. Alright, so when you first get the knife in, it does come in a decorative gift box with the big BucknBear Knives logo on the top there. And then on the left hand side, you've got a item number right there, BNB 12233P as in Piranha, and then it's got the barcode. So we'll open up the box and see what we have inside. Alright, so when you first open the box, you do have three little cards here, and the first is going to be the BucknBear Knives knife care card that gives you some tips on knife care, and then they give you a BucknBear Knives sticker, and then the lifetime warranty card, and that's got information on the warranty right there. Let's see if we can, there we go. So you can read that, you can pause the video. Basically it's just saying that it does have a lifetime warranty. No questions asked. If you have any issues with the knife at all, send it back in and BucknBear will be happy to fix or replace the knife. So let's get this thing out of the box and we'll go over some basic specs. Okay, so now that we have this thing out of the box, we'll go over some basic specs for you. So the Piranha overall length end to end is 8.5 inches. It is made out of D2 steel, the blade, and it is a full tank construction. So that D2 is all the way down the spine of the blade. You do have some jimping on the bottom, and then on the top, it does have jimping, but since the G10 scales are above the knife blade, you don't really feel the jimping up there. I wish that they had cut out the G10 scales a little bit further down so that you could actually, you know, get a better purchase. But it does feel well in the hand. Sorry about the lighting. Let's there we go, bring that up just a little bit. It does feel really good in the hand, and the scales are removable, so if you wanted to wrap it in paracord or something like that, you could do that. It's got the big BucknBear Knives logo up top, the D2 stamp right there, and then on the back it does have the BucknBear logo. So the sheath is a kydex sheath, and it does have a Tech-Lock style belt mount on the back. You just push that button in, and then these two tabs, you can adjust the belt width, and you can also adjust if you want the knife sitting horizontal or vertical. I've got it in the vertical setup right now. And then it does have some other slots, so if you wanted to lash it to a pack or something like that, you could do that as well. That's about it. The blade length, I forgot to mention, is 3.6 inch blade length on that. And just as a quick size comparison, I do have a couple other fixed blades. This is the SE4. I'm sure most of you are familiar with the SE4. Very well-known fixed blade. So about the same size as the SE4, and then the Bastion Gear Titan that I reviewed last is right below it. So it's a little bit bigger than the Titan, just by a little bit, and the sheaths are very similar. They actually do have the same Tech-Lock style belt mount on those. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or anything, I will be doing a full review of the Piranha with some you know, cutting tests and whatnot. But in the meantime, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.